So the first thing I'm going to do here is prepare my egg white. So simply going to crack an egg on here and then put the egg white into my cocktail shaker. So let's separate that out. Just keep the yolk in the shell, like that. That will just separate out nicely. And we can just put that to one side. There we go. So here we go, we're just emulsifying that egg white. It's not the greatest spectator spot in the world. You can't really see that particularly well, but that is whisking that up very nicely indeed. There we go. So now into my cocktail shaker, I'm going to pour 45 ml of Ford's gin. So let's get that in there. There we go. I'm then going to add the lemon and the lime juice. We're going to have equal parts of this. That's going to be 15 ml of lime and 15 ml of lemon. To give that a bit of balance, I'm going to put 30 ml of sugar syrup in there too. That's 15 and that's 30. Then I'm going to add in 45 ml of cream. So adding some richness here. There we go. Lovely. I'm going to add in just a couple of drops of orange flower water. So this stuff is really, really strong. So you've got to be a little bit careful when you drop this in. You don't go crazy. So there we go, 2 drops. Lovely. And the egg white, of course, I'm going to be adding in right at the last, which is already in here, as we know. Now there's no ice in this final drink, so I'm using a chilled glass straight out of the fridge. I'm also going to add in a little bit of our soda or sparkling water into the bottom of there. And then I'm going to pour in the actual cocktail mix itself. This is going to give us a bit of a reaction, which will give you that nice foamy head on the drink that we're looking for. You already see that starting to take shape right there. And then we'll just very carefully pour in a little bit more until we reach desired level on our glass. And there you have the really rather fabulous Ramos Gin Fizz.